Hello everyone, today I will be discussing with you about the IELTS scores, general IELTS overview, the difference between academic and general IELTS, and some useful tips in speaking. Let us begin. When it comes to your IELTS test results, the academic and general training papers are actually graded to the same scale. You'll be given a score from 1 to 9 for each part of the test, including listening, reading, writing, and speaking. For example, you'll get 6.5 for both listening and reading, 5 for writing, and 7 for speaking. All those 4 will be added and then it will be divided into 4, an average of 6.25, and your overall band score is obviously 6.5. Now, what's the difference between the academic and the general training test? Academic training test is more suitable for people who are applying for higher education or professional registration in an English-speaking environment. It reflects some of the features of academic language and assesses whether you're ready to begin studying or training. On the other hand, general training test is more suitable for those who are going to English-speaking countries for secondary education, work experience, or training programs. It is also a requirement for migration to Australia, Canada, New Zealand, and the UK. It focuses on basic survival skills in broad social and workplace contexts. The only difference between the two tests is writing task 1 and reading, so just remember that one. Now, if you're going to take academic tests, when it comes to the writing section, you will be describing and analyzing data either in bar chart, line chart, pie graph, table, or diagram. If you're going to take general training tests, you'll be writing a letter, either informal, semi-formal, or informal. Now, when it comes to academic tests, the reading part is you will be getting 3 long passages increasing in difficulty. It's in academic style text, and that includes either journal articles or textbook extracts. The text will be related to academic topics such as science, history, or sociology. General training test includes 4 short passages increasing in length and difficulty. It's more general, everyday style text. The texts are related to social survival, such as advertisements, notices, and so on. It also includes workplace survival, such as job descriptions, employment contracts, and the general text includes newspapers, magazines, or travel brochures. And when it comes to the useful tips in speaking, for both general and academic tests, please don't worry about your body language, eye contact, the quality of your ideas or opinion. Don't worry whether the examiner agrees with you or not. Also, don't mind about your presentation skills. And also, don't worry about the behavior of the examiner, whether she looks at you or not. Don't worry if he or she looks unfriendly. So, they just want to know if you speak English well. So basically, those are the things that you need to do or you need to remember if you are a first-timer in the IELTS exam. Thank you for watching my videos. Bye!